Guys, everyone, welcome back to the new video tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how to crochet a star. So now let's get started. First, you have to bring a yarn and hook. Start with a magic ring, wrap the yarn into two fingers, and you have to insert your first hook and chaining 2, 1 and 2, and after that we have to make a 10 double crochet into the magic ring or magic circle. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, and then 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet, and 6 double crochet, 7 double crochet, and 8 double crochet, 9 double crochet, and the last one is 10 double crochet. And tie it and make a slip stitch into the first double crochet. You have to make a slip stitch here, chaining 1, and we have to make a single crochet into the next stitches, and after that we will make a half double crochet into the next stitches and double crochet into the same stitches, chaining 2, 1 and 2, and we will make double crochet and half double crochet into the same stitches. Okay, the first star petal is ready. Next, single crochet into the next stitches, and we have to make a half double crochet and double crochet into the same stitches, chaining 2, 1 and 2, and we will make a double crochet into the same stitches, and we will make a half double crochet into the same stitches. In the next stitches we will make a single crochet. Okay, repeat the same thing until you reach the last part of this petal. You have to make 5 petals for a star. The last part, and we have to make a slip stitch into the first chain of this first petal. Slip stitch and cut the yarn and fasten off. And everyone, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. It just take 2 minutes or 3 minutes to finish this star, so you can just crochet as a beginner. Okay, now I have to go. I will see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, guys. Okay, bye bye, happy crocheting.